The EV industry has been shaken to its core as Ford's CEO, Jim Farley, made an unprecedented decision to shut down their EV production. Enthusiasts who were eagerly awaiting the delivery of their ordered vehicles are now left in disbelief as the company takes a U-turn on its best-selling EV pickup, the F-150 Lightning. Leaving us a like proves you like what we do here. Then be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified of any recent video. Thank you. Ford's surprising move comes as a response to what the CEO perceives as a threat to the middle class. Farley argues that EVs are not only harming the industry, but are also financially draining, causing Ford to incur a staggering loss of over $4 billion in a single year. The aftermath includes thousands of local employees losing their jobs and the recall of hundreds of thousands of vehicles due to serious issues. Delving into the heart of the matter, it's revealed that Ford's EVs, especially the F-150 Lightning, failed to capture the market's interest. The industry-wide struggle is not unique to Ford, as General Motors faces similar challenges. The government's aggressive push towards EVs, driven by stringent emission norms set by President Biden, has left manufacturers scrambling to meet demands that customers seem hesitant to embrace. Even dealerships have raised their voices against this abrupt shift in the automotive landscape, with an open letter to President Biden expressing their unreadiness for an all-EV future. With over 90,000 EVs gathering dust, Ford's financial woes are compounded by the fact that their EVs, especially the F-150 Lightning, are not flying off the shelves as anticipated. Ford's decision to shut down EV production is further fueled by a series of recalls, including 35,000 Mustang Mach-E EVs due to battery issues. This follows a pattern, with Ford earning the dubious title of the top automaker for recalls in the U.S. for the past 2 years. With costs soaring to cover warranty expenses, the EV dream for Ford quickly turned into a financial nightmare. General Motors is not immune to the chaos, with over 1,000 workers fired in a week and financial turmoil spreading. CEO Mary Barr's strategy of focusing on luxury EVs and abandoning plans for affordable models has left both employees and investors in dismay. Reports of software glitches, braking system problems, and poor interior quality in GM vehicles have further eroded consumer confidence. In contrast to Ford and General Motors, Toyota and its CEO, Akio Toyoda, have taken a staunch anti-EV stance. Warning against the dangers of going all in on EVs, Toyota has invested heavily in alternative projects, including a revolutionary ammonia engine promising exceptional mileage. As EV enthusiasts grapple with the shocking news, the darker side of EV ownership is exposed. Repair issues, exorbitant repair costs, charging infrastructure problems, and the terrifying reality of EVs catching fire have punctured the utopian vision of an all-electric future. With nearly half of EV buyers trading in their electric cars for hybrids, the EV market is facing an identity crisis. The nightmare for EV owners extends beyond recalls, with almost 80% more repair issues than their gas or hybrid counterparts. From batteries refusing to charge to rattling noises and exorbitant repair costs, the EV ownership experience has been far from smooth. The charging infrastructure, touted as a convenience, has turned into a mess, particularly in cold climates where EVs can lose up to 41% of their range, leaving owners stranded and regretting their switch from reliable gas-powered vehicles. The financial burden of EV ownership has been laid bare, with repair costs reaching astronomical figures. Owners are discovering that a single scratch could result in a staggering $60,000 bill, turning the dream of sustainable, cost-effective transportation into a financial nightmare. Stories of individuals facing bills equal to or even surpassing the cost of a new car due to battery replacements highlight the unanticipated financial implications of EV ownership. While EVs are hailed as environmentally friendly alternatives, recent events expose a darker side. Lithium-ion batteries, central to EV technology, pose a serious fire hazard, turning some EVs into fireballs after crashes. The environmental impact of these batteries, both in terms of production and disposal, raises concerns about the sustainability of EVs as a green solution. In a surprising turn of events, nearly half of EV buyers are trading in their electric cars for good old hybrids. The familiar embrace of gas and hybrid vehicles is driven by their affordability, ease of maintenance, and perceived reliability. The average cost of a hybrid, at $42,318, presents a stark contrast to the hefty price tag of $59,400 for an EV, prompting consumers to question whether the switch to electric is worth the investment. While traditional automakers grapple with EV challenges, Toyota's CEO, Akio Toyoda, stands firm in his belief that EVs are not the only path to carbon neutrality, investing in secret projects, including a revolutionary ammonia engine promising unprecedented mileage. Toyota's commitment to consumer choice and sustainable alternatives sets them apart in an industry consumed by the EV craze. As the automotive landscape shifts, Toyota's resilience against the EV tide could reshape the future of transportation. As news of Ford's decision spreads, consumer distrust in the broader EV market deepens. The once promising industry, championed by political leaders as the key to a sustainable future, now faces a credibility crisis. Ford's move to abandon EV production casts a shadow over other manufacturers, leaving consumers questioning the reliability and viability of electric vehicles. The market's struggle to gain the trust of the average consumer becomes an uphill battle, potentially stalling the much-anticipated mass adoption of EVs. Ford's retreat from EVs raises fundamental questions about the role of government in shaping the automotive landscape. While political leaders champion EVs as the solution to environmental concerns, Ford's CEO argues that the forceful push for electric vehicles, without due consideration for market readiness, has led to disastrous consequences. This brings to the forefront a debate on the balance between environmental initiatives and the practicality of their implementation in the market. The shockwaves from Ford's decision reverberate beyond American borders, affecting global automakers and international markets. Investors worldwide are closely watching the unfolding drama, and concerns are growing that the EV industry's struggles could have a domino effect on the broader automotive sector. As Ford grapples with the fallout, international manufacturers may reconsider their own strategies, raising questions about the future of EVs on a global scale. Amidst the chaos, the automotive industry is compelled to explore alternative technologies. Toyota's emphasis on a revolutionary ammonia engine hints at a potential shift away from lithium-ion batteries, addressing both the environmental concerns and fire hazards associated with current EV technology. As the industry reevaluates its approach, innovation in alternative propulsion systems could redefine the future of transportation. The challenges faced by Ford and the broader EV market underscore the need for robust consumer education. Many buyers remain unaware of the potential pitfalls of EV ownership, from charging infrastructure issues to unexpected repair costs. As the industry recalibrates, a concerted effort to inform and educate consumers about the realities of electric vehicle ownership becomes paramount for rebuilding trust and fostering sustainable growth. Ford's decision to shut down EV production serves as a reality check for an industry caught in the crossfire of ambitious government mandates, consumer skepticism, and unforeseen technical challenges. The EV dream, once hailed as the future of transportation, now faces a barrage of challenges that demand thoughtful consideration. As consumers weigh the financial, environmental, and practical implications of EV ownership, the automotive landscape is poised for a paradigm shift. The unanswered questions linger. Are political leaders prematurely pushing an all-electric future? Is the EV market ready for mass adoption? Only time will reveal the true fate of the electric vehicle revolution. In the interim, automotive enthusiasts are left to ponder the twists and turns of an industry in flux, awaiting the next chapter in the electrifying saga of transportation. And now let's hear from you in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's content, then leave us a like, subscribe, and ensure the bell notification is on to be notified of our recent content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.